All right, so Sound of Salem has come out with a new song called Connect. I have not heard this. Only seen a clip here and there. I heard it was a very expensive music video to make. Um, First time reacting. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go.
Salem. Aye. Raise up. Cornetto. 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 Raise up, raise up, raise up, raise up. Even if I dey for beat now, you I got it. You I got it. I know that there's something, but I get my daddy. Get my daddy. They may trust in Charlie Auto when they come for us. Oh. All I need to do is to connect. Yeah, connect. I know you can forget. Connect. Now she's all be my connect. Yeah, connect. Even though you don't want to, I will my battles on my knee when I connect. Even when they reach 10,000, I just say I know the border. Come back on now, you the runner. And anytime I pray, I go connect to.
Okay. First impressions. Seems like an expensive shoot. Seems like an expensive shoot. Also, when he says the raise up, bro, I've always, if you know what that means, I don't know if he's saying raise up like he's raising someone from the dead or raza. We don't know over here in America. So if you know, but that part, even if 10,000, I won't shake, I won't fall down. Now I know. Now I can understand what he's saying. Okay.
Even when they reach 10,000, I just say I know the border. Come back on now, you the runner. And anytime I pray, you know the muscles. Connect. Victoria. Connect. Everything go correct. Every time I pray, you know the muscles. Connect. Victoria. Connect. Everything go correct. Every time I pray, you know the muscles.
This one the God design, no be Gucci and designer. I know fit talk, come on, now who's come go they find out. I go pray, I go call your name. Say thank God this is not your place. Oh, you play to 7 words in the name of Jesus. That is how we dey play Ojoro. That is where you do that follow. Anything when you talk, I do. That is how we dey play Ojoro. That is where you lead, I follow. Anything when you talk, I do.
Guys, I'm sorry. I the accent. I'm having trouble. I'm having trouble understanding. But it looks cool though. Maybe I need to have like the lyrics right next to me. Let me see if I can do that actually. Let me see if I can do that. Cause then I'll understand what they're saying. Okay, let's see.
Even when they reach 10,000, I just say I know the border. Come back on now, you the runner. And anytime I pray, I go connect. Even when they reach 10,000, I just say I know the border. Come back on now, you the runner. Anytime I pray, you know the muscles. Connect. Victoria. Connect. Everything go correct. Every time I pray, you know the muscles. Connect. Victoria. Connect. Everything go correct. Every time I pray, you know the muscles. Connect. I connect. Go correct. Even when they bring 10,000, I just say I know the border. Come back on now, you the runner. And anytime I pray, I go connect. Salem.
Okay, the chorus, I'm not gonna lie, chorus is crazy fire. So we have the lyrics here. Uh, Maybe I should put the lyrics up here for you guys all to see. So basically, well, they don't have like the when they were doing their song, but okay, even though hey, it's not even bring. It's even though my goodness, wow, pigeon is crazy. Well, in English, we would say bring here, but oh my goodness, okay. Even if they bring 10,000, I know shake, I know day. Now, see, what does the border part mean? My goodness. Um, if you understand the English translation, not pitch English translate. If you understand the English translation, let me know so I can also enjoy. Okay. Uh, every time I pray not to connect. Okay. See, now they say bring right here. Okay. Wow. 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 Guys, I'm trying my best, but yeah, that was crazy. If you enjoyed this reaction, make sure to subscribe. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers, and let me know what other songs should I react to. New songs coming out. God bless everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.